Can you pass me the red crayon?
You needed me?
What? I mean, yeah.
So what are you working on?
Just a project for class.
Art class?
No, science class. We're making lab safety posters.
Wow, art for science class? That's pretty innovative.
I guess so.
You guess so? What would you rather be taking, tests?
Not really.
Art is a great learning tool. You should be happy that teachers give you such inspiring ways to motivate yourself by using projects.
But it's still work. What do you know anyway? You're just a crayon.
Crayola is a lot more than just crayons, you know?
How so?
Well, let me show you.
I lived for the moment when you cracked open a brand new box of 64 and that smell and all those tips with all those beautiful colors and the amazing possibilities were staring back at you.
So 1903 was the first year that Crayola released its first box of 8-count crayons in different colors.
The crayon has been around for over 100 years, yet we still find ways to engage children and to have them still be interested in the crayon and be creative in one way or another.
Art as a subject helps improve critical thinking skills and problem solving, so bringing art to our children overall improves their education.
Art is everywhere. Art is here, it is in your home, it is everywhere. It's on your packaging.
It's what we're wearing, it's all around us. Art is so important because that's how humans express ourselves. It's such a human thing. Crayola provides a safe, non-toxic art supply that parents and educators can know and feel safe with their kids using.
We help create creatively alive children. We're selling imagination in a box, right? So we're providing the tools to inspire and create. And I think that's something that transcends time.
Not only did I get to grow up with our products and play with them, but to see my own children play with them is amazing.
Wow, Crayola really is more than just a crayon.
Who are you talking to?